Boom shakalaka, the biggest chart for Bitcoin and altcoins in 8 years. You'll definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including the biggest chart for Bitcoin and altcoins in 8 years and what it could possibly mean for Bitcoin. Before we get into it, guys, like the video. Also come join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love, where we retweet all of the charts seen today. Now, Fear and Greed Index at 62, down from yesterday's 64, but pretty much in the same territory for the past week. The overall market up 0.5%. Bitcoin at 43,086, Ethereum at 2368, BNB at 303, Solana $95, XRP 50 cents, Cardano 48 cents, Avalanche $34, and Dogecoin 7 cents. And Bitcoin continuing for 9 straight weeks in this sideways trend channel. You can see here from this bottom back in October, also touching the bottom back here in January. This could potentially push Bitcoin out of that trend channel by the end of February. Things could get exciting in the next couple weeks. Also, we have the fair value by halving line right down here in case things go sideways, or actually down in this case, and come towards this territory of the 200-day moving average and also the 40,000 by halving line. Well, that could be the other territory we would be heading towards in the near future. But it seems unlikely, especially based on some of the charts you'll be seeing later in the episode. Now, right now, 75 days until the halving. Based on previous cycles, the things that have happened historically, well, one went kind of up and then sideways, the other went kind of down and sideways. In that 75-day period, that was the COVID crash back then. So things could get kind of exciting if we have another black swan. But then if we expect it, is it really a black swan? I don't really know. However, you know what's happening? A lot of people are accumulating Bitcoin right now. For the past 30 days of all cohorts, miners, and exchanges, they have accumulated 61,000 Bitcoin. When the monthly issuance has cut in half in April to 13,500 Bitcoin, if demand stays the same, it outpaces issuance by a factor of 4. That would likely push the price dramatically higher. And as that happens and people realize that there is a scarcity, that could push the price even higher, even more quickly. Just based on the MVRV Z-score right now, you could tell levels are very, very low, not anywhere near peak levels at this time. As a matter of fact, right now, kind of close to the bottom levels. Right now, Bitcoin is ready for a big move. It's in its 4th weekly range since the bottom at 15,500. The longest range lasted 30 weeks. You can see right here. The shortest was 8 weeks long. Right now we are at 9 weeks in the current range with fake outs on both sides. Big move imminent. Yes, there is something brewing right now. And if we take a look at the current trend that Bitcoin has been in 4-year cycles, you can see that we've already broken through most of it. What's coming up next is pretty much all up territory for Bitcoin. Also echoed by the last supply active 2 to 3 years ago, we're starting to see it roll over already as it happened in previous cycles. You can see the rollover happening right here. That generally happens right as price starts to trend upwards. As a matter of fact, within 11 months to 1.5 years from the top. So that would, based on this, that would tell us the top would be December of this year to roughly May, June of 2025. And we have a cross right here of the LMACD on the 2-month time frame. Historically, this happened at the beginning of both bull runs when things started getting pretty intense. We have that happening again right now. Could be in for some very intense Bitcoin moves. But this chart right here, last time this cross happened was in 2016. And look at what happened after 2016. It went up orders of magnitude. Now, Bitcoin has already made the bullish cross on the ADXDI indicator on the monthly chart. The total market cap, which is this chart right here, is not far behind. You can see that cross is about to happen. Many may not realize it yet, but potentially are similarly to 2016, where we could see massive rallies over the next 4 to 8 years. Things could be about to go ballistic. Also for Bitcoin, if we take a look, giant cup and handle formation forming here over the past couple years. Should Bitcoin break above this around the halving? Well, the projected target is $130,000 for this cup and handle. But that's not all, because based upon what logarithmic regression you want to put Bitcoin in, this one right down here with the cross just happening has a top right now without it lengthening in time of $203,000. And this one right here has it roughly $250,000. So no matter where we're going, it looks like we are just about in all up territory. And that is all for today's episode. So if you liked it, press the like button. Join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.